How to add Phantom Wallet in Kiwi browser. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can do this easily. So in order to add your Phantom Wallet in Kiwi browser, you just have to open your Google Play Store or App Store, and here in the search bar, you simply need to search for Kiwi browser. Now once you have found Kiwi browser, you simply need to tap on it, and then you just have to download and install it in your device. Now once this tap is done, you just have to tap on the open button in order to launch it, and then on the home page you will be able to see the three dots. So you need to tap on those three dots, and then you will be able to find the extensions option. So you need to tap on extension, and then you just have to go to the search bar in the top right hand corner, and there you just have to search for the Phantom Wallet. Then you just have to download and install the Phantom Wallet extension in your Kiwi browser, and this way you will be able to add it successfully. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.